termers po, plus 6 years. Plus 6 years, and then, sa 2029, pwede kayong ma-re-elect. Lalaban kayo. For your second 6 years, bale 12 years kayo mga first term kung mananalo kayo sa 2029. Second term, plus 6 years ngayon, sa 2029, tapos na kayo. Binigay sa inyo 12 years. Second term, 6 years, and then plus 6 years po na extension ngayon, wala na kayong re-election. Third termers, plus 6 years ngayon, end of term nyo, 2029, bali ang lumalabas, 16 years kayong nakaupo, mga end of termers. Yun yung sinasabi kong 2013 na elect. 2013 na elect, 2018, 2023, plus 6. Is equivalent to 16 years. Yung first term, aabutin lang kayo ng 12 years. Second term, aabutin lang kayo ng 12 years. Pero ito ang pakakatandaan ninyo. Second term, second termers, at third termers, kapitan ka man o kagawad, wala na kayong eleksyon after 2029.